In this video, we are going to implement the switch case statement. So for that, I have prepared the C sharp file. In the C sharp file, I have created the one class, that is the switch case class. So I set the switch case as the startup object in the project. Okay, so let's implement the switch case statement. So first of all, let's prepare the int. I'm going to use the one variable day is equal to 1 here. After that, let's take the switch. Here in the switch, here you have to use the variable expression. So as of now, I'm taking the day. So what is the exactly meaning of here? Means here in the switch, I'm taking the day variable as the input value. Okay, so now let's prepare the cases inside of the switch. I'm taking the case 1 and then I'm going to prepare the it's Monday. Okay, after that let's break. Next case 2 and then console dot write line, it's something, let's say Tuesday. Okay, again let's break. Now let's try to analyze this program. Here I'm going to say that day. Okay, so day here it will contains the 1, right? So in case of day 1 matches to the case, so I'm having the two cases as of now, case 1 and case 2. Here 1 is matching to the day, right? So that's the reason this statement will be executed. After that, every case you should use the break keyword. If you are not use the break keyword, what will be happen, right? Immediately it will be execute the next case. Now, so in this case, day is matching to the case 1. So that's the reason you are going to see this it's Monday as the output in the console window. Let's see the output. It's Monday. Let's say I'm going to use the 2. Okay, let's save that. Again, if you see the output, so now you see that, right? It's a Tuesday. Okay, so in the same way, let me prepare the another cases as well. Now I have prepared the multiple cases. Okay, so in case of 3 Wednesday, 4 Thursday, 5 Friday, 6 Saturday, 7 is Sunday. Okay, now let's save all. If you see the output again, so still it is the Tuesday only. So now I'm going to implement the 7. Let's design the 7 with the day. So now if you see the output again, now it's see the Sunday. Okay, so here what happened, right? Here day 7 is matching to the this case. Okay, so always 7 you have to keep in mind, 7 day 7 which is matching to the case 7. Okay, so now what if in case if I'm going to give the 10. Okay, so if you take the 10, here there is no case is available, right? So in this scenario you have to use the one kind of a case, that is the default case, and then you can prepare the any kind of statement if you wanted to show as the output. So as of now I'm going to say that your input is wrong, please check the numbers between 1 and 7 only. Okay, this fine, right? So here in this case day is equal to 10, right? So here whatever the statements which are under the default, those will be executed. So if you see that your input is wrong, please check with another numbers. So let's design the another example. Let's say I'm going to take the string designation, software engineer. Okay, I'm taking the designation software engineer. Now let's prepare the switch here. I'm going to take the designation as the input. I'm passing this designation as the input to the switch statement. Now Let's prepare the some different cases here as of now. So first case, okay, what happened, right? I'm going to prepare the fresher. Okay, so here I'm going to write down the console.writeLine you are fresher. Okay, now let's break. Next case, what I'm doing, right? I'm going to use the uh, junior software engineer. Here I'm going to prepare the one statement. Let's say you are junior software engineer. Let's break. Now next is the I'm going to use the one more case, that's the software engineer. Let me copy and paste here. So in this case, I'm going to print the you are the junior software, you are the software engineer. Now let's break, and I'm going to use the default again. So in case if the designation is not matched to the any cases, so in this case what happened, right? I'm going to implement the so here what happened, right? I'm going to prepare the one message, your role is not available, please check with the another role, or you can say another designation, anything is fine. Again let's break. So in this case what happened, so here designation is the software engineer, right? So designation is the software engineer, right? So first of all, in the first case, C# compiler checks the fresher. Okay, so then this designation and the fresher is not matched, so it won't be executed. Even junior software engineer also not matched, it won't be executed. So software engineer this string which matches with the designation, right? So this is string whatever, so this one is going to be matched, so that's the reason this one will be executed. Okay, so now if you see the output, you see that, right? You are software engineer. If I'm going to remove everything, let's empty. Now if you see the output, the default will be executed. Not only the empty, if you are going to give the some xyz, okay, that xyz designation is not matches to the any case, so again default will be executed. If you see the output, your role is not available, you see that.